the SoundPEATS TrueAir. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the SoundPEATS TrueAir True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual and a USB-C cable for charging. The TrueAir features 5 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the QCC3020 chip by Qualcomm, aptX and SBC codec, and CBC for noise reduction. It has touch controls, USB-C charging, and IPX5 sweat and water resistant. You will immediately notice the case does have the AirPod type feel and design. It has a smooth white finish all around and it's very light. On the front of the case, you'll have the pairing button, and on the bottom you have the USB-C charge port. Opening the lid, you will see the status LED light. The lid also feels tight and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are secured into place by magnets and they are easy to remove from the case. Now a side-by-side comparison of the cases. I will compare it with the AirPods 2 case and the AirPods Pro. The earbuds have a stem design and it's very simple and it has a clean look. The bottom of the stem has the ear indicator markings, and on the outer face you have the touch controls. Each of the earbuds feature charging contacts, microphone, and touch controls. And here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls are pretty straightforward. It's a matter of few taps or long presses to get the desired function. And this is how they look next to the AirPods 2 and the AirPods Pro. The case comes in at 1.8 by 1.1 by 2.3 inches. It weighs in at 34 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there is no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPEATS TrueAir microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in clear during calls. I would say it's just a bit lower than the AirPods 2, but still loud. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side if you prefer. Pairing was instant and I had no issues. When testing video on an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SoundPEATS TrueAir. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. When it comes to comfort, you can definitely wear these for extended periods of time with no issues. They just sit outside your ear canals and they don't put any pressure. Pretty much in line with the Apple AirPods 2 design. It did stay into place while running, but it won't be as secure compared to the other earbud designs that have fit wings or are placed further into your ears. Build and quality is good. It has a very simple design and a clean look throughout. The case and earbuds feel durable. Touch controls are responsive, and I had no issues navigating. Battery life is fair, coming in at 5 hours and a total 30 hours with the case. And I like the fact that it has USB-C for charging. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, I feel that it has its presence, but it's not very deep. You won't get the heavy pronounced bass. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and I feel that they come in boosted, so it falls more on the bright side for me. Vocals do stand out and are clear. If I would compare these to the AirPods 2 sounds, it's pretty close and it would be difficult to differentiate. Overall, I think there is some good value here. I feel that these are good for those that are seeking out AirPods style without breaking the bank, or want a design that provides comfort without it putting pressure into your ear canals. So that is my review of the SoundPEATS TrueAir earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.